Mother, please look at the screen. A big accident happened.
I love using my new pink smartphone every morning.
Mother, please let me play a game on your phone.
No, Leo, you must not use my expensive phone today.
I only want to play for 5 minutes, please.
I am going to the kitchen to prepare the breakfast.
Mother is in the kitchen, so she cannot see me. I will take the pink phone very carefully now. This phone game is wonderful and very fast to play. Look at me, Leo. I can spin my toy very fast. Wow, Lily. Wow, Lily. Do not bring that large toy near me.
Oh no, my plastic toy is slipping from my waist.
Watch out, Lily.
The pink phone hit the hard wooden floor very loudly.
I will turn the pink phone over to look at screen. Oh no! The clear glass screen is completely broken and cracked.
Mother's expensive pink smartphone is totally ruined and broken now.
The screen stays completely dark and the device will not turn on.
Mother is coming back soon. What can we do now, Leo? The delicious hot breakfast is ready for the family now, children. Why are you two children sitting so quietly on the rug? What are you holding inside your hands right now, Leo?
Mother, please look at the screen. A big accident happened.
Oh my goodness, my new pink smartphone screen is completely smashed. I told you to not touch this expensive device this morning.
I am sorry, Mother. My large plastic toy hoop tripped his arm.
What is happening here? Why do you all look so sad?
Leo took my pink phone and they cracked the glass screen completely.
This was a very dangerous and bad choice, young man. You must never touch electronic items without our direct permission.
I am very sorry, Father. I will follow the household rules. I promise to never spin my large toys inside the house.
Always ask a parent before you play with any digital devices. Your plastic toys are the only correct objects for your games.
I will place this broken phone inside the protective storage box.
I am taking this box to the repair shop right now.
This colorful picture storybook is much more fun than phone games.
I am very glad you are reading your beautiful books now.
Listening to parents and playing safely makes our family much happier. Hello, Mother. Look at this amazing fast car on wall. I want to draw a beautiful red racing car today. Where can I find some clean white paper for drawing? This wooden desk drawer is completely empty and has nothing. There is no paper here, but I must paint now. Look over there. A thick black marker is on desk. This black marker is perfect for my new car art. This large white living room wall is so beautiful and clean. The big white wall can be my massive drawing paper. I will pull off this red cap from the marker. Let us start drawing the beautiful racing car right here. This is very fun, and my drawing is looking great. Now I will add the long body of racing car. Let us make some big smoke clouds behind the car. I am a wonderful artist, and this is beautiful art. I will color the round wheels completely black right now. My giant racing car is almost finished on the wall. Let us add some fast speed lines behind the wheel. The amazing wall painting is completely ready for everyone to see.
I am coming into the clean living room right now. I have a heavy laundry basket filled with clean clothes. What is that massive black shape on my clean wall? Oh my goodness, look at this completely ruined white wall. This is a terrible disaster in our clean living room. I cannot believe my eyes. The wall is completely ruined. Leo, look at me and stop your drawing immediately today.
Hello, Mother. Look at this amazing fast car on wall. Do you like my beautiful big racing car painting today?
No, Leo, I do not like this big mess. You did a very bad thing by drawing on this wall.
I am very sorry. I only wanted to draw art. I did not mean to make a terrible, messy wall.
Always ask a parent before drawing on any house surfaces. White paper is the only correct place for your drawings. Take this blue sponge and clean the wall right now.
I will scrub the black marker ink very hard now. What a massive and funny mess you made on wall. I I promise to use white drawing paper from now on. A clean home and correct play habits make our family much happier.